A nice warm and sunny day for most places. Not quite as warm down the east coast with onshore breeze. Then for the next couple of days the anticyclone's there, but it's building, so the isobars are tighter in the west, which means the breeze will pick up. We should lose the nighttime frost by Wednesday, but have good days.
When our school got burnt down, I was cross and sad. There were lots of flames and the firemen had to come.
Today, arson is the biggest problem facing our fire service as they try to balance tougher security with understanding what motivates the fire setters.
I didn't feel like an arsonist until he showed me the damage it had done.
Now, Panorama examines the battle with young arsonists, tomorrow at 10 on BBC1.
Pulp Fiction gets the French and Saunders treatment. Look out, Lulu, in 50 minutes.
Have you ever heard about a violent crime and thought to yourself, if I could only get my hands on whoever did this? In The Locksmith, Roland gets the opportunity.
Time to grieve for a community facing tragedy now on BBC1. Emotionally explosive, Jimmy McGovern's The Lakes.
Samantha Ann Kavanagh, I baptize you in the name of the Father.
He's having a bad oil. Somebody buy an extra.